their natural habitat. So this is where the bin chickens live when they're not scavenging bins. The old Ibis, the Australian Ibis. G'day, how you going? So I've come out to the park today. This is at George's River. It's on Henry Lawson Drive here, and there's a shitload of ibises. This must be where they all hibernate when they're not out raiding the bins. So perfect for bird photography because they're big and they're cumbersome and they're not that fast. So I've taken Jerry out. What I've gone and done, I've gone and bought myself an EM1 Mark II. I'm not sure why, because I didn't really need it. For what I do, I don't really need it, but it was such a bargain, and it came with the 12-40 Pro, and I got it for like $1,000 US. And it only had like 5,000 shutter speed, so that's practically brand new. I wanted the reach, so I put my 150 lens on, and that'll give me the reach to get the birds. So let's go for a walk, and we'll see if this is any good in the field. It's from the beginning already, it's a little bit heavy, compared to the EM10. Whether it's good for me and Jerry walking with this. Here we are, and sitting ducks. I tell you what, this is like bird photography heaven. They're just sitting there waiting for you to take a photo of them. Now, straight off the bat, this doesn't flip up like that. So -1 point, you've got to go like that, which is fair enough, which is you can go like that and get good shots. For street photography, it's a bit obvious too. So that flipping like that is way better. Oh, look how close they are. Man, there's thousands of them. Put it at 4,000 shutter speed. One hand is perfect. It's not as big or heavy as you think. For a pro camera, obviously micro four thirds. Jerry, what are you doing? This way. Obviously for micro four thirds, it's perfect. This is a professional camera too, so it's weather sealed, everything. You can feel it's a proper camera. I've got the 12-40 Pro lens with it, and that's a little bit heavy. But for shots like for walking around with Jerry, it's not too bad. I still prefer the EM10, but as you can see, look at this bloke. Can't see the glare. If I had to tilt that, it'd be alright. But Jerry. You see the bin chicken? Let's put it at 2,000 speed. Come on, mate, fly. Jerry, go catch the bird. I should put it on burst mode. There's a button here, and that goes, you click that button there, and you can enter, you can get a menu, and then you can have burst mode. Jerry, he's gonna run. He's gonna fly, Jerry. Oh, you idiot. Jerry, you made me miss. You cheeky bum. There you go. It's bloody fast. Jesus, and that's on slow. Imagine on fast. Let's put it on fast. Where is it again? Sequential high. Oh, that's ridiculously fast. That's like a movie. That's amazing. So fast, the shutter speed. The problem with the fast one, it only focuses on the first, but really, it's going that fast. The chances of the thing moving out of focal range is pretty limited anyway. I don't even know why you would need it that fast. I guess for like full-on sports. Here we go. You see there's a big nest. I didn't realise ibises had nests. It's huge. Jerry, you always tangle me. Good girl. There's a little bin chicken there. What's that flare? It's got flare. Dumbass. Jerry, I forgot to put this on. Jerry, you want to go up the stairs? No. Let's see what some sort of funny photo here I can do. Now the beauty of this, like last week when I was having a whinge about getting down low, helps if I turn it on, is you have a look down there. Have a look down there. See, now I can get low without breaking my neck. Take a photo like that. So that's awesome. Maybe I'll do that old sunburst thingamajig. F22. You get behind the sun there. So I wish this bloody tilted. So I mean, I just keep whinging. I want everything. I guess you can tilt it, you idiot. But you got to go do that. Yeah, so you can see the benefits. One day they'll invent the swivel and the tilt in the same bloody thing. That's the Georges River there. It's disgusting. I mean, I think it used to be worse with cars and shit in there. I think there's better areas of it. I'm in the Fairfield area, so it's pretty dirty and industrial. Probably why all the ibises are here. Hey, Jerry. Hey, Jerry. There's a cockatoo. Where did he go? He's gone. What about this joker here? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, this guy's good. Hello, mate. What are you got something, are you eating something? Boy, they're attacking me. It's a little family there. You need to shoot through the eyepiece, really. So much easier. I've never been a big fan of the back screen. I'm only doing it because of the video. Because I'm so blind, I need the eyepiece anyway to see what the hell I'm doing. Jerry, you're always sniffing, Jerry. I'm trying to take a photo, Jerry. You're always sniffing. Alright, let's have a look over here. Let's have a little rest, Jerry. It's a nice little drinking hole. It's a really great spot to practice shooting birds. So I'm just here, you know, and Jerry's right there with me. Hey Jerry, you're looking at all the birds too. And then yeah, you got a little bench here. Put your feet up, relax. Yeah, that's really it's a good place to practice here. Jerry, no Jerry, don't go in the water. What have you found? You found the fishy. Oh yeah, Jerry. Hey, you want to sit with me? You sit here with me then, Jerry. You sit here and we watch the birdies. What's that guy having a bath?